You have science questions, and we have science answers. It's time for Owl Connected's General Knowledge. At home. Alexandra wants to know, if heat rises, why is there snow on the peaks of mountains? Okay, this has two parts. Let's start with the first one. Why does heat rise? Heat is not so much about temperature as it is about how excited atoms are. In very cold substances, the atoms are slow-moving and tightly packed. This creates the dense materials that we know as solids. As atoms get hotter, they expand, they begin to energetically bounce off of each other. They get more excited, and eventually they'll become gases. Now, warmer air is more excited air, and it rises because it's looking for extra space to bounce around in. It's looking for less pressure. So, second part, what is pressure? Pressure is created by objects surrounding a substance, and it greatly increases the temperature of that substance. For example, let's think of a pressure cooker, which cooks things very quickly. The reason it does this is because as the atoms are inside the cooker getting more excited, they want to expand, just like that air did. But the rigid structure of the pressure cooker has sealed them in. It won't let them escape. This makes more energy, more friction, more bouncing around in there, and it increases the heat, cooking things quickly. Now, let's compare that with cooking something in a pot with an open lid. In this case, there's still heat energy, the atoms are still really excited, but as they rise and look for a place to escape, they find it. There's no lid. They can escape as steam, and they expand into the room, and without the pressure, they now rapidly cool. This is the same thing that happens with our hot air. Hot air does rise because it's hot, but as it rises, it comes across less and less pressure in our upper atmosphere. And now the heat that was inside that gas, it just dissipates into space. This is why even a mountain that's near the equator, like say Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, can have snow on its peak all year round. Thanks so much for watching. Do you have a question that you'd like for us to answer? Well, we can do that. Just send it to owlkids@owlkids.com and we will get right on it.